This is the MomentumPro pipeline chart. I created it earlier and it's what we're looking at today. From the integrations menu here, select MomentumPro like this and then add the pipeline chart and MomentumPro filter to the page layout. The pipeline chart combines the value distribution column chart, which you're probably familiar with, and sales data specific to MomentumPro. It looks and behaves similarly to the value distribution column chart, which you might be familiar with. However, the difference being it uses MomentumPro budget data instead of Newber budget data. It retrieves call sheet values and MomentumPro sales and places them in columns, as you'll see now as we run through an example. What parameters you set in the filter obviously depend on what information you're after. I'll keep mine fairly simple by adding a few values here, and I'll set a date range because that's required for this chart. And here's the chart. Hover over a section like this to get more specific information. Click on a column to open those specific call sheets and alter the information you're seeing in the chart by clicking or unclicking these buttons here if you want to. If budgets have been set, you'll see the budget line running through your chart. And that concludes this training session on the MomentumPro pipeline chart.